Add black screen in VN Editor. Select Add a heading. Click on Text bar. Add text of your own choice. Add font of your own choice. Select font size. Set the text to add keyframe. Here we add keyframe 1 on this size. Then keyframe 2 on this size. Click Export. Add new project and select the video which you want to add. Choose aspect ratio 9:16. Set video according to aspect ratio. Select PIP. Select photos. Add the previously made video. Adjust size. Click Duplicate. Click Blending. Select Darken. Same for the duplicate one. Now you can see both had a darken effect. Select first PIP. Select Mask, then select Linear. Set mask vertically. Same for the duplicate one. Now double it, and check their smoothness. We have a gap in between. We'll correct the gap issue. Now our gap issue is solved. Now separate both PIP to add keyframe. Set keyframe 1 on first. Drag it upward and add keyframe 2 on first. Now again move duplicate to first one. To adjust proper keyframe, add both keyframes while moving it downward. Here is the final look.